Assalamu alaikum. Let's say you're so angry you're about to lose your mind. What is the best thing for you to say to calm down and make sure you don't say things that ruin things and makes you regret for the rest of your life? Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam was sitting next to a companion. That companion, his name is Sulaiman radiallahu anhu. He said, we saw two people fighting and they were so angry and they start to curse one another. One of them, their faces turned red and the jugular vein is about to pop. Man, that guy was angry. Oh yeah, he was. So the Prophet ﷺ told that companion, I know a statement, if this man were to say it, all that anger he has would calm down and go away. Allahu Akbar. A guy this angry says one line, one sentence, one dua, and that anger is gone. Yes, what's that statement? Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, and let me continue. Don't leave after you hear this dua. He said, if this man says, A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim, I seek Allah's protection from the devil, the accursed one. What does the devil have to do with this? The devil takes us on a ride when we are angry. He sees us very vulnerable. This devil is made out of fire, and he wants to put a lot of fire in you to do things that you will eventually regret. So you have to remember that part of the anger that you may be in may be caused by the devil of whispering things that are very horrible for you. So say, A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. You know what's amazing? That Sahabi, when he heard that statement from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you know what did he do? He actually went to the one who was angry and told him of what the Prophet's advice was. So with that being said, just like how he shared it, can you share this video for others to benefit inshallah and tell them what to say when they're angry? May Allah bless you and grant you patience. Wassalamu alaikum.